Hi there, friends. Today we are unboxing this. It's a lamp that kills mosquitoes, and it's like a night light too. So let's see what's in the box. This is by Yage, International Leader of Portable Appliances. So, okay. Let's open this up, shall we? So it's had a rough shipment, but hopefully it made it all intact. And out of the box comes a happy looking little light. There we go. Okay. That's about it for inside the box there. Perhaps some instructions? No? Okay, maybe underneath the styrofoam. No. So the instructions are attract. We're going to read the box here. So, fast luring, UV nanometer wavelength lighting, powerful suction, unescapable design, funnel, structure to effectively prevent from escape, easy to wash. Okay. So, trap mosquitoes, usage. Please put the power plug into the socket. Okay, so we are going to plug this in. We are actually out in the tree house. So, sometimes, well, we used to get mosquitoes in here when someone left the door open. We don't really anymore because it's bug proof, but when we do, let's see, let's plug this in here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm going to leave the door open on purpose. There we go. Plugged in. Now we're going to turn it on. Okay. Okay, so it is on now. Alright, so let's read some more. Put the catcher on the desk. We're not lower than 1 meter. I'll be using for... there, cut power immediately. You can put some stuff in there. Okay, so basically, that is it, my friends. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the door open here and see. Let's see, is there any light coming out of there? Okay, it's just, there is some light here. Let's remove the foam here. So we are out in our little tree fort / cabin, and you can see that it is emitting some light. And there's some air coming out of there. It's pretty quiet. So what I'm going to do is going to leave, I think I'll leave a window open. And that should allow the mosquitoes to get in here. And we'll come out in the morning and see if it's caught any mosquitoes. Alright, we'll be back.